This 2022 Winnebago Travato 59G is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside with your main living space, you have a flat-screen TV located above your rear passenger seating, which also has a removable table in front of it. Moving on, we find your kitchen. Here you have a sink and a 2-burner gas cooktop. Above your sliding door, you'll find the controls for various coach functions like your generator, battery and tank levels, and your water heater. Across from all this, you'll find a convection microwave and a fridge. Moving further towards the back, we come to your 49 by 77 inch bed with overhead storage cabinets. Above this is your Coleman Mach air conditioner. Your coach is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. It has a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 380 horsepower. Outside, make note of the location of your power hookup and tank drains. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.